Emotional intelligence plays a crucial role in our relationships and understanding why we often remain in toxic situations. It refers to the ability to recognize, comprehend, and manage our emotions and those of others. When individuals lack this awareness, they may find themselves trapped in unhealthy relationships, unable to break free despite the negativity surrounding them. One reason people stay in toxic relationships is the fear of loneliness. The thought of being alone can be daunting, leading individuals to cling to familiar, albeit unhealthy, dynamics. This attachment often stems from a reliance on the other person for emotional support, even when such support is harmful. Emotional intelligence can help individuals recognize these unhealthy patterns and the impact they have on their well-being, leading them to seek healthier connections instead. Another factor contributing to the endurance of toxic relationships is low self-esteem. Many individuals doubt their worth and believe they do not deserve better. This negative self-perception can cloud judgment, preventing them from leaving a partner who does not treat them with respect and kindness. Cultivating emotional intelligence can empower these individuals to develop a stronger sense of self-worth, helping them understand that they deserve to be treated with dignity. The cycle of hope also plays a significant role in the persistence of toxic relationships. People often cling to the belief that their partner will change, hoping for a glimpse of the affection and kindness they once experienced. This hopeful mindset can overshadow the reality of ongoing harmful behaviors. Emotional intelligence encourages individuals to accept the truth of their circumstances and confront the reality of their partner's behavior, fostering the courage to make necessary changes. Cognitive dissonance can complicate the decision to leave a toxic relationship. People may find themselves struggling to reconcile their feelings for someone they love with the negative aspects of that relationship. This internal conflict can create a barrier to making a healthy choice. By enhancing emotional intelligence, individuals can learn to differentiate between love and toxicity, ultimately making decisions that prioritize their emotional health. In conclusion, understanding emotional intelligence provides a pathway to breaking free from toxic relationships. By developing the ability to recognize unhealthy patterns, fostering self-worth, and confronting difficult realities, individuals can empower themselves to seek healthier connections and cultivate more fulfilling relationships.